Hi, and thanks for making a great decision to pick up some more information. Check your email because your free report is on its way. In the meantime, here's a video overview of 2 questions you must know before talking to any insurance agent.
There are 2 questions that everybody who inquires about life insurance should ask. When are you going to die? I don't know is the answer. It could be next week or 40 years from now. In any event, shouldn't those that are dependent upon you have their future secured through your thoughtfulness and love? The second question is, do you want life insurance guaranteed to be in force the day you die? If you said yes, then permanent life insurance fits your needs. If you said no, then term insurance is where we would look first and then into the permanent insurance options second. Needs. Do you know how much life insurance you need? I will take you through a program that will help us come up with an amount. It will break down your needs and come up with a figure that will reflect your life insurance needs. There is an acronym, DIED. You will add up all of your life's ambitions, goals, and expenses. Let's take a look at DIED. D, debt. Mortgage, car debt, credit cards. I, income, 5 to 7 years. E, education and emergency fund. D, death, final expenses. This amount you just calculated is what you would need to leave for those that depend on you right now so that they can continue on with their lives and dreams, unfortunately without you. The reality is that you love them enough to make the decision to say, I care, and I thought about the what-ifs in life. Others may have a moral obligation towards debts being paid off regardless if they are alive or not. How to determine the monthly amount. The thing that makes this engine run is how much you can afford each month. Life insurance should not break your bank, but you should find an amount that will fit into your budget comfortably. It needs to fit in your budget, so if you have to take something away, you don't start with your life insurance. Life insurance needs to be in force the day you die. Often when budget crunches come into play, that may be when you need it the most. Do you know the 2 main types of life insurance? Term life insurance. There are, for example, 10-year, 20-year, and 30-year term products available. Term life insurance is just like what it sounds like. It is coverage for a period of time. The premium is guaranteed not to change for that period of time. Term is like renting a house. You pay every month, and if you stop paying, you lose coverage. Also, term life insurance will get more expensive as you get older. There are options to have your premium returned if you add a rider called Return of Premium Rider on our 20-year and 30-year terms that will pay you back your entire premium at the end of that term. Only 3% of death claims are term because it becomes too expensive as you get older and people end up not getting a new term policy. Permanent insurance. Permanent insurance is guaranteed to pay no matter when a person passes away. If you said yes to, do you want life insurance guaranteed to be in force the day you die, then you want permanent insurance because it is the only one that will guarantee payment. The premium for a permanent policy is more expensive at the beginning, but it never changes with age. For example, policy costs $60 a month at 35 years old. It will cost $60 a month at 95 years of age. Permanent insurance is like owning a house. As you pay your premiums year after year, a cash value begins to accumulate inside your policy. It is just like how your equity builds in a house. There are limited pay options available. For example, here are 3 options out there: 20 pay life, life paid up at 65, and whole life. 20 pay is a life insurance policy that will be paid in full and no more premiums will be paid once it is paid in full. Life paid at age 65 is a payment plan on a life policy that will have the life policy paid up by the time you are 65 years old and no more premiums will be paid once it is paid in full. Great for those who plan to retire by this time. Whole life is a policy where you make level premium payments until age 95 or until you die if you die before age 95. At this point, you should be ready to sit down with an agent. So use the link below to start the process.